condolence po sa family, relatives, and friends. And this content is not for you guys. This is for your Lanlan, Bobo. I'm pretty sure that isasisi na naman to ni Lanlan Robredo kay FPRRD and dun sa naging tugon niya sa war on drugs. Well, Lanlan, unahan na kita. It's been 3 years na wala si FPRRD. Yung mga it is Marcos now na yung pinapatupad niya na bloodless war kuno and what happened to us. And saka ikaw yung mayor dyan, you should do something. Hindi yung walis-walis ka lang at pasubo-subo sa matanda. It's not gonna help you in fighting drugs or addiction. You should do something. Hindi yung isisisi mo lang yan. Alam nyo, yung ganyang ginagawa ng mga leaders, yung isisisi sa ibang administration or the past administration yung kasalanan, it's actually not helping, and at the same time, it's not good governance at all. Diba? Good governance na naman. Because it only means that you're not taking ownership sa task mo as a mayor. You are not really into it. You're not sincere in making a change sa hinahawakan mong syudad. Or if ever maging presidente ka, nakulugmok tayo, mas lugmok pa kay BBM. And blaming past administrator as administration, what's going on right now, it's kind of lame excuse for you to get out sa pagiging incompetent mo. You or bobo ka lang. Yun lang. Bye.